it's Sania, and today I'm going to talk to you about the makeup. The girls' favorite stuff is the makeup, so whoever is so in love with the makeup, they will definitely like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload my new videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The thing I want to show you is this beautiful mini makeup products. This is a gift set and it has got all nice mini goodies for the lip and eyes, and this actually helps a lot when you travel, and also keep it these kind of makeup products in office so that you can touch up in your regular breaks, or you can put it in your purse if you're going for a party. So let's start. So this is the pouch I got. It's a nice beautiful fluorescent pouch. So the first product I'm gonna pick is this Marc Jacobs mascara. As you can see, I'm wearing this mascara today, and it really opens up your lashes very beautifully, and it has got that pitch dark kind of formula which creates nice length and volumizing effect. And the reason I like this mascara is because of this nice bristle. As you can see, it is fluffy at the start and kind of tapered in the middle, and again fluffy at the end. And this has got, I think, crisscross bristles, which makes all lashes to coat and gives you a nice feathery fan effect, and the color of a pitch black gives your eyes more in-depth look. Shade which I'm wearing today, it's from Kate Von D. It has got beautiful pigment. It's very lightweight, and it doesn't make your lips to feel heavy when you have applied it, and it is very long. What I'm going to show you is this from the brand called Beauty, and this is in the shade Rose Pearl. It is a multi-stick, and this is a prismatic eyeshadow where it gives your eyes a beautiful sheen, not being too sticky, and nice holographic kind of a look where it gives you a nice multicolor sheen on your eyes. So if you really want to go no makeup look, you can just apply this prismatic multi-stick on your eyes and go ahead with the mascara and light liner that will really complete the whole look for your eyes. Lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is in the shade Toffee. Anastasia Beverly Hills lip shade or a lip gloss can be applied once you have applied nice dark shade lip color, and on top of it you can just add this gloss to give that a beautiful gloss look. Or you can toss this kind of a lip gloss just on the bare lips, just to have that nice sheen and a good hydration or moisturizer. Next one is this bag, has this Lights Camera Lashes Tarte mascara, and this is the 4-in-1 mascara which makes your lashes to be voluminous, they say, but I was not that happy with this mascara because the formula of this made me feel it has got very thick consistency to apply for the lashes. It doesn't coat easily. You have to reapply it again and again for having that nice long lashes look, but this clumps a lot, so this is not that satisfactory for me. Put in the comments down there if somebody likes this Tarte brand Lights Camera Lashes mascara. If I am wrong, to comment down there. The next one I've got is this lip and cheek balm from the brand called Nude Sticks, and this is the shade called Pulse. This actually does very well when you want to have that no makeup look. It's a kind of a nice mauve color. If you are a fan of mauve color, do check this Nude Sticks, because this is a nice mauve shade which enhances all skin tones as well. So apply the stick on lip and cheek so that it will have a hydrating look and a nice sweet glow on your face. Beauty false lashes. It's called Fox Mink Farah number 12 lashes. As you can see, this is very feathery lashes. I have not applied my lashes anytime, and not a fan of lashes, not a fan of fake lashes, but I wanted to try this, and I got it, and it looks really feathery. Too long lashes for my eyes, I think, but it looks really plasticky and artificial to apply long lashes, especially of this kind. I always feel and like it to apply these fake lashes, but never ever in my life I have tried fake lashes, so I'll give a try once, but this looks really not good. Black eyeliner, which is called Sephora retraceable eyeliner, and it is waterproof. It is number 01 and it is in the shade matte black. This has got a very nice deep dark matte shade finish, very easy to apply, very easily it glides on your eyes without without any having that lumps and bumps in between. Very nice product, and it at the end it has got this beautiful fluffy brush which you can create a smoky effect if you want to, and this is in the nice matte black shade. The Indian beauties will definitely like this because matte black eyeliner is one of the favorites of all. It is a waterproof eye makeup remover. Again, this is from Sephora as well, and it has got this cornflower extract waterproof eye makeup remover. This is from the brand called Sephora. Again, you need an eye makeup remover if you have done your eye makeup too intense, or if you've applied kohl or anything as such. So this mini eye makeup remover is so helpful when you can keep this in your pouch or a purse, so that it is really good to go, because it has got this nice sharp line to draw, and the felt tip is very sharp, and the color of it stays really long, and it has got that pitch dark black effect liner look. So this is in the shade black ink, and it stays up to 12 hours. That's great. So if you're a fan of a felt tip liner, do try this. It's called Sephora Black Ink Fine Line Felt Liner. This is nice beautiful brown lip stain from Sephora. It is in number 54. This is also one of the nicest shade I have ever owned. The way to apply this is you have to apply it really light. When you open the tube and brush off the excess lip stain to the rim of the bottle and apply it to your lips. This will not only help a nice layer to coat on your lips without feeling too heavy, so better try this kind of a shade. It's very good for office, it's very good for party, it's very good for daytime wear, evening wear. You can just wear this color with anything. So one of the all-round lip shade is this beautiful dark brown lip stain from Sephora. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Do tell me what brands and products you like from Sephora. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload my new videos.